This tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a stacked column chart that has a total at the top of every column. So here we have some data, call it sales by region from north, south, east, and west for these few days. So first we want to enter just a basic stacked column chart. We can do this by highlighting the data and then going to the Insert tab, clicking on recommended charts under the charts grouping right there, and then click on all charts. We're going to click on column and we want to click on column chart. You can, and now in this specific instance, I want each column to represent a specific region, like so. So there we have a basic stack column chart. Now we next need to get a total into our data. So we add total and then we do equal sum of just a total by region. Like so. Now we have a total for every single region in here. Now we need to get this total into our graph. And to do that, the easiest way is to just click on the graph and just drag these things over. You could also try to click on the chart filters and then click on select data, but in this instance, we are going to just click on the graph and then drag this over. And then here we have a total, and because of the nature of stacked column chart, it defaults to being just another stack. But we don't want this. We want to make this a combo chart. So we're going to go here, go to chart design, click change chart type, and after we click on change chart, click on the chart, click on change chart type towards the right, click on that. We next want to go over and click on combo chart at the very bottom, and we want to have each piece except for the total be a line chart or array cluster column chart. So we here, or sorry, a stacked column chart. My bad. So we have the day, 1 day stacked column chart, another day stacked column chart. Everything is a stacked column chart. You kind of have to get everything in the stacked column chart except for the total, which we want to have is a line, not just a line, but a line with the markers right here. And some you might have to mess around with this a little bit. You might have to have some secondary axis for it to make sense, or you might have to be able to keep it on the axis that you're on right now for it to make sense. For instance, I'm going to have it, just on the same axis because it doesn't change anything, but you might have to adjust that if needed. So I'm going to click OK. And then now we can click on the line that we have as our total. And then we can click on the plus. We can click on data labels. And as you can see, now we have a data label. Now we have a data label for each mark in our stack column chart, and that shows the total. And it will probably take some formatting to get it to be exactly what you want it to be. For example, let's just say we wanted to have just the numbers at the top and we didn't want the line, for example, right? To do this, we can click on the line, then right click on the line, click on format data, click on format data series. And then we can click on the line, and then we can, for example, have no line. So now there's just a dot for each total. And we can even go to the marker and adjust the marker to be like black, for example. So you have just a black marker, or sorry, that's just the outline, or we can also just have no line and marker options. We can also have no marker at all, for example. As you can see, now we just have a stack column chart with a total at the top, or we can have the marker at the top if we want to. I have the markers, and we can click on the marker, right click on the marker, click format data series, and then we can adjust the fill of the marker and have it be whatever we want it to be. So just say we want it to be a built-in marker that is like a square that's a larger square with a black filling. I don't know, whatever you might want to fill your fancy. But the thought here is just kind of mess around with the formatting to get it to be what you want it to be and kind of how you want it to be. I like text in black just because for my charts just because I think it can make it easier. But yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. This is going to take some formatting to get it to be what you want it to look like, but I hope this will show you how to do that. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. You have a great day.